Okay, let me ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
You are at home, maybe with your family, maybe with a roommate, maybe just talking to yourself.
We all do that.
And you think, I want to say this in English, but how? What are the words?
Like simple things. Can you help me? Or what do you want for dinner? But in English, you just go blank.
Exactly. And here is the thing. Home is actually the best place to practice English because it is safe, it is comfortable, and the conversations are simple.
But only if you know the words.
Right. So today, we fix that. This is English conversation practice for beginners. And today, we are bringing English right into your home.
Welcome, everyone. You are listening to the Easy English Podcast.
The place where English feels easy, natural, and actually fun to learn.
We take real, everyday situations.
And we practice them together, slowly, simply, clearly.
No complicated grammar, no long explanations.
Just real English for real life.
If this is your first time here, welcome. Pull up a chair. Make yourself comfortable.
Literally, you are probably at home right now, so get comfortable.
And if you're back again, hey, we missed you. Let's get started. So, English at home. Why is this important?
Because home is where life happens. You wake up, you eat, you clean, you relax, you talk to the people you love, all at home.
And if you want to really live in English, not just study it, you need to know how to talk about your everyday home life.
Think about it. If you have a flatmate who speaks English, or a partner, or even if you just want to think in English while you do the dishes,
Which is actually a great habit, by the way.
it really is. Narrate your life in English. I am making tea. I am washing the dishes. I am sitting on the sofa.
It sounds funny, but it works because you are connecting English words to real actions.
So today, we are going to practice conversations for every part of the home: the kitchen, the living room, the morning routine, and more.
By the end of this episode, your home will feel a little more English.
Let's start at the beginning of the day, morning at home. This is when most home conversations happen.
Listen to this first, then we'll explain.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up in the middle of the night.
Oh no, why?
I don't know. I just couldn't sleep. I think I was too hot.
That happens to me too. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I really need it this morning.
I'll make a big pot then.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
Okay, so natural, right? This is a real morning conversation.
Let's look at the first question. Did you sleep well? This is one of the most common morning questions at home.
Did you sleep well? And the answer's yes, really well, thanks. Or not really. Or I slept okay.
And if you didn't sleep well, you can say why. I was too hot. I was too cold. I kept waking up.
I kept waking up. This means you woke up many times during the night, not just once.
And then, do you want some coffee? Simple offer, very natural.
You can use this structure for anything. Do you want some tea? Do you want some breakfast? Do you want some water? Do you want some... Use this, learn this, use it every morning. Let's talk about making offers. Because at home, you offer things to people a lot.
Do you want some? Is the most natural way. But there are others too.
Would you like some coffee? A little more polite, a little more formal.
Can I get you something? You are asking if they need anything at all.
Help yourself. This means take it yourself, please. You don't need to ask.
Oh, help yourself is such a useful phrase. When someone comes to your home and you want them to feel comfortable, help yourself to anything in the kitchen.
It means treat my home like your home. Take what you need.
Beautiful phrase. Very warm. Very English. Okay, next room. The kitchen. So much happens in the kitchen.
The kitchen is probably the most conversational room in the house. People talk, cook, eat, argue about food.
All of the above.
Listen to this kitchen conversation.
What do you want for breakfast?
I don't know. What do we have?
We have eggs, bread, and some fruit. Ooh, and yogurt.
Can you make eggs? I love your scrambled eggs.
Sure. Do you want toast with that?
Yes, please, with butter.
Okay, it'll be ready in 10 minutes.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem. Can you set the table while I cook?
Of course. Plates, forks, knives. Anything else?
Just some glasses for juice. That's it.
Done.
Perfect kitchen conversation. So many useful phrases in there.
Let's look at what do we have? This is how you ask what food or things are available.
Not what do you have, but what do we have? Because you both live there, it's shared.
Small word, big difference.
And it'll be ready in 10 minutes. Very useful at home. Dinner will be ready in 20 minutes. The washing is done. It'll be ready to hang in 5 minutes.
It'll be ready in. Remember this structure. Super practical.
And can you set the table? Set the table means to put the plates, forks, knives, and glasses on the table before eating.
This is a very common household phrase. You will hear it and probably say it a lot. Quick kitchen vocabulary. These are words you need every single day.
Fridge, where you keep cold food and drinks.
Oven, where you bake or roast food. It gets very hot.
Stove, the top part of the cooker, where you use pots and pans.
Pot, a deep round container for boiling water or making soup.
Pan, a flat container for frying eggs, vegetables, meat.
Kettle, you use this to boil water for tea or coffee.
Cutting board, a flat board where you cut vegetables and food.
These 7 words, every kitchen, every day.
Say them with us. Fridge, oven, stove, pot, pan, kettle, cutting board.
Good. Now you know your kitchen in English. Okay, the living room. After a long day, the sofa, the TV, the relaxing.
The best room in the house.
Honestly, yes.
What do you want to watch tonight?
I don't know. Is there anything good on?
There's a new series on Netflix. It looks really interesting.
What is it about?
It's about a detective. She solves crimes in a small town.
Oh, that sounds good. Let's watch it.
Okay, can you turn off the lights? It's better in the dark.
Sure, and I'll get a blanket. It's a little cold.
Good idea. Oh, do you want some snacks?
Obviously, yes.
I'll get some popcorn. That conversation felt real because it is real. We all have this conversation.
Every single evening.
Let's look at what is it about? This is how you ask about the story or topic of a film, series, or book.
And the answer, it's about a detective. It's about a family. It's about a war. Simple structure. It's about.
And can you turn off the lights? Turn off means to stop something. The lights, the TV, the music.
The opposite, turn on, means to start something. Can you turn on the TV? Can you turn on the fan?
Turn on, turn off. 2 phrasal verbs you will use every day at home.
And I'll get a blanket. I'll get means I will go and bring something. I'll get some water. I'll get my phone. I'll get the door.
I'll get the door. This is what you say when someone knocks or rings the bell. Don't worry, I'll get it.
So useful. Write that one down. Situation 1. Asking for help with a chore.
Can you help me carry this? Or, can you hold this for a second? Or, can you pass me that?
Pass me that. You say this when something is close to the other person and you need it. Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the remote control?
So simple, so useful.
Situation 2. The house is messy. You want someone to clean up.
You can say, can you tidy up a little? Or, this place is a mess. Or, I'll clean the kitchen if you clean the bathroom.
Tidy up means to make a place neat and organized. Put things back where they belong.
Situation 3. You are tired and you want some quiet time.
I need some quiet time. Or, I'm going to rest for a bit. Or, can you turn that down a little? Meaning the TV or music is too loud.
Turn it down. Make it quieter. Turn it up. Make it louder.
Turn up, turn down, turn on, turn off. 4 directions for everything at home.
And situation 4. Someone is coming to visit your home.
Come in. Make yourself at home. This is the most welcoming thing you can say.
Make yourself at home means relax, be comfortable, treat this place like it is yours.
Beautiful phrase. Very warm, very welcoming. One more conversation. The end of the day. Evening at home.
I'm so tired. It was a long day.
Me too. Do you want to eat now or later?
Now I think. I'm really hungry.
Okay, should we cook or order something?
Honestly, I don't have energy to cook. Can we just order pizza?
Perfect idea. I was hoping you'd say that.
I'll find the number.
Great, and I'll set the table. Well, actually, let's just eat on the sofa tonight.
Even better. It's been that kind of day.
It really has.
It's been that kind of day. I love that phrase.
It means today was hard or tiring, and everyone around you understands exactly what you mean.
No long explanation needed. Just, it's been that kind of day. And people nod.
And I was hoping you'd say that. This means the other person said exactly what you wanted to hear.
Should we order pizza? I was hoping you'd say that.
We use this all the time. It is friendly, warm, and very natural.
Practice time. Say these out loud. Ready?
Repeat after us.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up in the middle of the night.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I really need it.
What do we have in the fridge?
Can you set the table?
What is it about?
Can you turn off the lights?
I'll get the door.
Can you pass me that?
Make yourself at home.
It's been that kind of day.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Can you turn it down a little?
Great job, everyone. Say them again. Say them tonight at home. Make them yours.
The more you use them, the more natural they feel. That is how it works.
Okay, a quick review. The most useful phrases from today.
Did you sleep well? Morning question at home.
Do you want some? Making an offer.
Help yourself. Making someone feel welcome.
It'll be ready in 10 minutes. Telling someone when something is done.
What is it about? Asking about a film or series.
Turn on, turn off, turn up, turn down. Controlling things at home.
Make yourself at home. Welcoming someone warmly.
It's been that kind of day. When you are tired and need no explanation.
8 phrases, all from real home life. All useful starting tonight.
Okay, your challenge for today.
Go to the comments below and write one thing you do at home, in English.
For example, every evening I make tea and watch TV.
Or, in the morning I make coffee and sit in the kitchen.
Or, my favorite room is the living room because it is comfortable.
Simple, real, yours. Write it down there.
And if you see someone else's comment, reply. Say something back. Practice the conversation.
Your home is your best classroom, and the comments are your practice space.
And that is our episode for today. English Conversations at Home.
You practiced morning conversations, kitchen talk, living room phrases, and evening wind-down English.
That's a full day of English at home where you feel safe and comfortable.
And remember, you do not need to go somewhere special to practice English. It's already there, in your kitchen, in your living room, in your daily routine.
Just start using these phrases today, tonight, tomorrow morning.
One phrase at a time, one day at a time. That is how you build real English.
We believe in you. We really do. Keep going. You're doing better than you think.
If today's episode helped you, give us a thumbs up. It truly helps us grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a new episode.
We'll see you next time on the Easy English Podcast.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye.